Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to clear junk files from Windows 10 or 11. So my one is currently Windows 10. So let me show you how to do that. Just head over to the search icon right here, write one, and just clicking on it. And here you have to write %temp and %e and tap on OK. Once you do it, all the temporary files that are preserved in your PC will be in front of you. All you need to do is just to press the key of your keyboard, Control plus A on your keyboard, Control and A, and all of them will be selected. And if you just right click on here, you will find the option on delete. Tap on delete and tap on continue. And as you can see, all the temporary files are being deleted right here. So yeah, one by one, all of them are being deleted. Sometimes it can take some time to delete all the files or to clear them. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.